The Blue contract covers all necessary preventive maintenance to keep your truck in peak condition. Every truck is delivered with a service plan individually tailored to its usage, which helps to keep your workshop visits to a minimum and reduces the risk of an unplanned stop. A well-serviced truck is also more reliable, fuel efficient, and has a higher residual value. And because you know the costs up front, you also enjoy greater operational control. Our certified technicians keep your truck in optimal condition. We have the knowledge, a full range of Volvo tools and the required diagnostics and database systems to make your workshop visit as efficient as possible. And of course, we always use genuine Volvo parts. Thanks to connected service planning, your service is ready well in advance, which means you'll be back on the road in no time. With the Blue contract, we've got your maintenance needs covered.